So it's day 2 at Carlisle. Today is Saturday, and a lot more cars showed up. I wasn't sure if they were going to or not, but you can see out there in the field, this is the back field, and then there's the front field has got way more cars in it. But anyway, I whipped the camera out because I need to show you guys something. There's this beautiful work of art. It's a clone, but it's a 69 Hurst Olds convertible. And the reason I needed to film it is because I need to show you guys something in particular on here. Let's do a quick walk around real quick. This thing's nice. Real nice. GoPro.
GoPro?
GoPro, yeah. It's waterproof too. I could film in a swimming pool if I wanted to.
Oh, nice. No, because sometimes they'll say waterproof, but they mean ridiculous.
Nope, this is like the top dollar camera.
Yeah.
It's like 300 bucks.
Well, it's worth it if that's what you're doing, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, it's well worth it. I was skeptical when I bought it, but I'm happy with it. We got electric windows, tilt wheel, rally packs, TikTok tack. It's got the bullet mirrors. We got a stripe on the top. Yeah, it's a Ho motor. See, Ho 455.
Do these flip up?
No. Now,
like inserts.
Here we got a 455 with the works. It's got aluminum heads, Mandalo heads. They're stamped on it. All kinds of aftermarket brackets. But where it gets interesting is, remember how I spent 3 days trying to get the damn headers on my car because we couldn't get that one bolt in? Well, evidently you don't really need that bolt at all because this thing doesn't leak. We just heard it run. It's got that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, no bolt, and that bolt. So evidently I didn't need to get that bolt in there. After spending 3 days trying to get it in there, throwing the headers across the garage at least twice, it hit my car. That's why I threw it. It ended up bumping my fender. It cracked the paint, so I threw the header. Man, we should have just never put the bolts in. Oh look, it's got an electric antenna too. What a nice piece. Oh, look, it's got Wildwood, New Jersey brakes on it. Willwood.
It's got EFI. You said it made like 530 something.
I think you said 540 something to the wheels on the dyno. I never talk about power numbers on my channel, but whatever. It's pretty damn cool. This thing can't be any slouch. Sorry, I'm gonna walk around and I'm gonna film some more for you guys. I think I'm gonna do some solo videos. Like this Cutlass is gonna be its own video. Like that Monte Carlo video was its own video. You should be seeing that on Sunday, tomorrow. So, all right, show them what's going on.